morning tour. Here I have created a water level indicator. As you all know that most of the drinking water is being wasted by the tank overflows. So I have taken an initiative to control that. And now I have brought a new thing that is water level indicator. The materials required are 6 LEDs, a switch, a buzzer and a adapter. A buzzer and the adapter and some wires. And this, as the water level increases in the tank, the corresponding LED will indicate the level of water. Now the tank is in the 3rd level. So there are 3 LEDs glowing, and now it's about to reach the 4th one, and you can see that it's slightly blinking. Now you can see that it's slightly blinking. Now you can see these are the electrodes which we insert in the tank. So this is the positive, and this is one end of the first light, and this is the second LED is positive, this is 3rd LED is positive, and this is 4th one, this is 5th one, and this goes to the last LED and the buzzer. So as the water level increases, the corresponding LED will indicate the level of water. And when it comes to the final one, the buzzer will trigger a noise and the red light will glow. And now the tank is to this level. So you saw that there were 3 LEDs glowing, and this was the first one, second one and the 3rd one. Now if the water level increases, when it touches these 3, and the corresponding will glow. Now you can see that the 4th LED is also glowing because the water level has touched the 4th electrode. So as the water level increases, these 2 will glow and this buzzer will trigger a noise so that the people in the work also can come and switch off the motor. So it will be easy for them, and this could be used in the large scale also. So you can see that in schools and industries also there are so much of water being wasted. So there they can use that so that it will be useful for all. And the light area. Now you can see the 5th LED glowing.
Start.
Now you can see the 6th LED glowing and the trigger and the buzzer triggering a noise so that the people in the work could come and switch off the motor. Thank you. Now you can see all the electrodes are in the water. So the last one is also in the water. So the buzzer and the last LED will trigger so that the people in the work could come and off the motor. And this is the last. Now the tank is also filled.